LK230, took it to the tire shop to get the tires rotated, changed out. Those guys broke the center emblem of the front wheel. So I ordered some replacements off of eBay. Easy pop in. Hey, but before we get started, I know you've been meaning to subscribe, and by doing so and sharing and thumbsing up the video, you push it up in the search engine's results for YouTube, which makes it easier to find for other Mercedes users, and they can benefit from it too. So do that now. Thanks. LK230, took it to the tire shop to get the tires rotated, changed out. Those guys broke the center emblem of the front wheel. So I ordered some replacements off of eBay. Easy pop in. Show you how to do that now. Taking this one, notice the rear, it's a match. You might want to change all of them, but I'm just gonna plop this in. Can't be driving down the street looking all ghetto. So taking it, you're just gonna put those clips in. Just press them in slowly. Don't want to break it. Normally want to start from the bottom. Make sure that one's in. Then once that one's in, you just press the other ones in slowly. And that's it.
These inserts are also excellent additions for aftermarket wheels to customize them into the Mercedes, making them look like they're OEM factory replacements.
As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.